Alright, it's currently pretty warm outside. Feels like 94. Just to confirm how hot it is in here. 81. If we come over here, we got... this is not focusing well. There we go. We got 84, and down here we got around 80 everywhere. So we're going to be starting up these two air conditioners. This is a 8,000 BTU air conditioner. This is I think a 5,100 BTU air conditioner. We're going to start them both up on low. And we'll see, this is... We're going to turn them on with fan only mode. And on low. And then we'll turn on cooling mode. So this is an 8,000. That's that one. And it's currently 82 degrees and here with 79% humidity. So I'm going to have both of them run. I should get that old 6,000 in here. That thing doesn't cool very good, but it does pretty good on dehumidifying. So we're headed to the outside part of the unit. Here's the 8,000 BTU unit on the outside. And then we'll head over here to the 5,000 BTU unit. It's very warm in here because it's back in that little section up there. So we have those. I usually just use this smaller one for cooling most of the time, and set that one up on 80 when I'm not in here, but then we'll just leave this one on a low. So it's getting hot in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna turn on that unit first. We're gonna use them both on low, so let's here, and we're gonna, as you see, it's on low and fan only mode. What is this? It's 80 degrees. Yeah. Let's see if it can confirm that using this thing. Yeah. Just about. Alright, let's go ahead and we're going to put it up on cooling mode. There you go. We're going to set down on 62 now. It's going to run for a while, so we're going to put it on 70. We're already should be blowing 60 degree air. This one works really good. This is the primary one. Before we're going to start up this one, over here we should be, so we're going to turn on fan only. Alright. I'm going to get close to it here. Hopefully it's not too much wind noise. We'll turn it on. I put this one on 6 on the dial. This one takes a minute to get cold, so we'll turn this on and watch it drop. Alright, so now we'll head outside and look at them out there real quick. Then I'm going to put them on high and come back in about 10 minutes and record again. We'll check out this one first. This is the 8,000. Coming out of the bank, we have over 100 degrees all the way across. We have good heat coming out of this thing, like it's hot. And the top of this is 102. Coming out back there is 117. Definitely needs to be on high fan when it's hot like this. I don't like to use them on low fan. I talk the whole time. Okay, we'll head over here. That stupid bug is gonna get in there if I don't shut that. Alright, in here it's gonna be and in here yeah. This one earlier dropped a lot of condensation. This one has a pre-installed condensation drain. I should drill another one. I don't really feel like it though. All right, let's go inside and see what temperature is coming out of both of these. We've already dropped the humidity in here from whatever it was before to 65% running these air conditioners. Now we're gonna put them on high. We'll start with this one. We have 58 degrees. All right, there's that one on high. Now this one here, for whatever reason, likes to put water out right there. I don't know why. But we got good cold air coming out over there. It's very hot in here, so we're gonna put this one up on high too. And over here we have 45 degree air coming out. 82, that's pretty good. So real quick here, let's go check them out outside now. How much power is everything in here using right now? All it's on is the air conditioners. I did get this. I haven't done any videos with it yet, but it's been on for 147 hours. Use 9 kilowatts. We have 108 volts. We're drawing 6 amps, 600 watts. So 2 air conditioners and some fluorescents running. That's not that bad. And over here, we got this one. Now we're doing good outside. These are the only air conditioners I have running right now of the, look at that, 53% already. So we're gonna turn this one on all the way so it don't shut off right now, and we'll put this one down at 65 and I'll be back. So alright, it's been about 5 minutes since I turned them on. We are getting 49 degree air or so out of this unit, the 5000, and over here out of this one we're getting around 46. We'll head outside and see what the condensation coming out of these is like. This one here, for whatever reason, doesn't have any coming out yet, but the outside air coming out of this one is 107 in there. The other one is definitely has water coming out. I shut this off earlier and water just poured out of it. What's this one like? Now keep in mind it's 93 in here. So, but we've already brought it down. It's 83 in here, so 77 now, and it brought it down to 49% humidity. That number needs to go down even more, so I'll be back in a few more minutes. So. I don't wanna be a one-man band. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. It's been about 15 minutes, and that's the temperatures we're at now, so thank you for watching. Have a great day.